Well, well. You don't belong here, healer.
I just want to finish the trial.
This is the trial. If you can't survive us, you won't survive in there. It's a kindness, really. Ending you before the real pain begins. Might as well put that tight body to use before you're dead.
You don't get to touch her. This is a hazing, not a rape, Cadet.
I'm sorry, Commander. Please.
Not yet, you're not. You don't touch any woman at this college, or I will end you. Now get this piece of shit out of my sight.
You killed him.
I did. You lost, beautiful? This isn't your part of the woods. The healer college is that way.
I'm not lost.
Still headed the wrong direction.
Maybe I'm right where I need to be.
You don't belong at the war college. Let me walk you back to the gate. There's more than one hunting party roaming these woods.
I thought the war college was supposed to be kill or be killed.
Consider it a warning. Maybe I'm hoping to convince you to quit.
There's something about her.
His eyes, like he knows me. Why is my whole body reacting? I need to calm down.
The world needs more healers, not warriors.
You lost someone close to you.
I lost a lot of someones.
I'm sorry. I know what it feels like. Why are you staring?
You know why. I need you to do something for me. Turn around and leave this cursed place. When it's safe, I'll find you.
Safe from what?
Get away from the princess, Blackmoor scum!
Blackmoor?
Princess, you're Maeve Thornville, the Alpha King's daughter.
You're Saxon Blackmoor, son of the rebel leader? Your family killed my mother.
Your father slaughtered my entire bloodline!
That's because they were traitors and went rogue. You know what? You're lucky my father spared you because you were just a boy.
Lucky. Your father branded us like animals, Princess. And you, I'll let you live, so you can see how lucky we are at the war college. You're not gonna last a week. I will make sure of it.
I'm not scared of you.
You will be.
Watch yourself, Blackmoor.
Fuck you, dog.
Looks like I got here just in time.
Rory Zion, my childhood sweetheart. He's never let me down.
Did that bastard attack you?
No, he actually saved me.
What? That's not like Blackmoor. He only protects his fellow marked ones. I wish you didn't come here, Maeve. It's too dangerous.
Rory, you know that every Alpha heir has to graduate from the war college.
But you can't fight. You can't even kill a bug. How the hell are you gonna stay alive in this?
Because I want justice for my mother. And I am not leaving until Saxon Blackmoor pays for everything he's done. Give me my dorm assignment.
Strip first. Burn your past.
You want me to undress here?
A healer? What's she gonna do, hug us to death? She won't last here a week.
Warriors are modest, princess. Maybe you should crawl back to the palace where you belong.
I'm not going anywhere. Not while my mother's killer is still alive.
Room 16. Training starts at 0500. Cry, sleep, pray. You're gonna need it.
Let's go, Maeve. Hurry and change. I'm getting you out of here and back to the Healer's College.
You know I can't do that. There's no going back for me now.
Maeve, listen to me. Saxon's not just some rebel with a chip on his shoulder. He's the strongest wolf this school's seen in 100 years. He's vicious. He's dangerous. He definitely wants to kill you.
Let him try. I am not afraid.
Run home, princess, before I end you.
You want to see me scared? Keep dreaming.